In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Meet to your calendar for an event that is coming up. Maybe you're organizing an event and you want to add a Google Meet to the calendar of that event or of the meeting. So let's say we have our Chrome browser open, and then you can go to calendar.google.com, which will be brought in over here. Then you can come to the create over here, come to event, and then you can name the event. For example, homecoming, and then this is an event, so you can come down here, you can specify the date, time, add guests if you need to. But here is where you add the Google Meet video conferencing. So you just click on this and automatically it's been added. So you can copy this and then you can put in the remaining ones. You can add location, description of the event and attachments, and then what kind of calendar you want to use. Once you are okay with this, you can go ahead and save. But then what you have copied is the Google Meet details. So once you copy, you can paste them somewhere. So let's say I want to paste mine here. Let me create a new note and then I paste it here. So what you have is the title of the meeting, which is homecoming. You have the date and time, and then the time zone, as well as the Google Meet for you to join. So once someone clicks on this link, you can join that meeting once the time reach. So once you're done, you just click on save, and now you have that event added with a Zoom video conferencing attached. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.